Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android using Google One on PC. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Google One subscription active on your account. Next, open a web browser on your PC. In the address bar, type one.google.com and press enter. Log in using your Google account credentials. On the Google One homepage, look for the backup section. Click on backup to view the available options. If prompted, download the Google One desktop application. Once the application downloads, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, open the Google One application on your PC. Sign in with the same Google account that you use on your Android device. Connect your Android phone to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you have allowed file transfer mode. Back in the Google One application, find the Mobile Backup option. Select Backup now to begin the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take some time depending on your data size. Once finished, you'll receive a confirmation that your backup was successful. You can now view your backup files by accessing the Google Drive associated with your account. To check your backup status, return to the Google One application on your PC. Here, you can manage and review your backup data as needed. That's how you can easily backup your Android device using Google One on your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.